live here, so I'm just waiting to see whether it's going to sync up for us.
Yeah, but it's already public there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hi guys, I'm sniping. Maybe you just need, I don't know. Oh, there is analytics as well.
Yeah.
Doing this YouTube, guys, is not so easy. Now we want to do the live, but we can't do live straight away because I don't have a 1,000 subscribers yet. So my husband is trying to figure out on how to do it. Even if I don't have 1,000 subscribers yet, it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of patience. You need to work it out. If you don't have patience on this, guys, and then that's me. This is not your thing. And if you don't have passion, then don't start because you're gonna end up. It's too much. It's too many. This and that, video editing. You need to buy this, and of course, you need to have money to invest. You need to have capital. But some people, they don't have capital, they just started in little things. But me, I wanna invest. If I can, then why not? Guys, I'm sleepy, guys. It is because today is Sunday, and we went to church. And of course, if I go to church, I will always cry by the presence of God. God's presence touched me and I cried. I will not stop crying. I will not stop crying. Some people told me, what? You cry? You go to church, you cry? It's better not to go to church. No, it doesn't stop me even if you told me like that because you just don't understand how I feel, what I feel, why I cry. It doesn't mean that I have problem, that's why I cry. There's a lot of things, like sometimes tears of joy, or you know what Jesus did for us. Like it makes you cry when you think that God, how God great, how God did things to you. He died for you. He looked after you. You just don't know how the spirit war going out there. You just don't know how God defend you. You just don't know how's the, yeah, that's right. That's right. What? That's right.
What?
Guys, this is live stream, so no cutting. Yeah. Are we going to do this? No.
I'm not sure it's actually going to work for us because
yeah, but
it doesn't look like it's actually going to come through. We probably have to monitor it via the YouTube studio on the mobile, which is not really going to work for us. So it means we can't really see what's happening. So it really makes it hard for us, and that if we want to work through the Android mobile to try and make it happen. Like Ali was saying, we need to have 1,000 subscribers before they allow us to do it on a mobile. I suppose that's so not everyone can do it.
Yeah, that's right. And they said, oh, really?
They're probably inundated with too many people trying to create YouTube channels and take up all their resources on YouTube, right? Who knows, right?
And they're saying that, oh, there's a lot of people doing the bloggers now because it's just easy. You just need to make video and then you earn money. Oh my gosh, I will tell you, don't say it when you don't know behind the scene.
It's definitely not as simple as what you.
Because what they say is like, yeah, videos imong mata, tusloko na ko imong mata. Samot nagdako imong mata.
Dako? Huh? Oh, look, we're public now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's changed over to public. I think I've worked out how to do it. Oh my. So, hi guys. It's Glenn and Ellie here, and Ellie Pattinson for our channel here, and we're here to be able to give you some instructions for the upcoming raffle, which we're going to run a live stream for the raffle for people. And the instructions for the raffle is going to be, she knows the details.
Yeah, about the raffle, guys, you need to, there is 1 to 200 numbers, and then you need to pick one numbers. But the requirements that you need to subscribe. If you're not subscribed yet, you need to subscribe and share this video so everyone can see it. So whoever wanna join or participate the raffle draw, so they should subscribe and share, and then comment their number and then the name, and make sure that the number is not taken yet, because if it is already taken, invalid.
It'll be invalid. So look at the comment section for each one of the numbers which has already been listed, and then if that number hasn't been taken, then
Go for it.
add your number.
Add your number, then write your name.
Yeah. Make sure you got your full name in there so we know who we're going to be dealing with. Okay.
Yeah, and then on
We'll
the
deal with you.
yeah on the and then the price, guys, is we're gonna pick 4 numbers, 4 people, and 500 each.
500 each. 500 peso each.
500 peso each.
Oh wow. Yeah. She's like the benefactor her now.
I share my
So,
blessings because I need something.
It is our way to be able to give back and to be able to make a difference to the people out there. So
give and take, guys. Give and take.
Yeah.
I know that 500 in the Philippines is already big, and yeah, you can buy a few kilo of rice.
It's just all about making a difference, and if we could make a difference in people's lives, and that's something that really touches our heart. Huh? Well, you don't like me saying that?
Yeah, that's right. And Mahal, did you watch the video from the beginning?
Did they watch it? I don't know whether they've seen it from the beginning, but we're going to find that out after this stream ends. So if you happen to catch this after the fact, and that you've heard the incoherent ramblings of my wife there, but nonetheless, let's hope you heard it, because it was important, right?
But I like it. There is no live here.
Yeah. Well, it says public here, but
Yeah.
it says we're live.
And then
right now.
guys, come here. And then guys, on the raffle draw, if the 200 numbers is already completed, and then that's the time we're gonna do our raffle draw. And then my husband will pick 2 numbers, and I will pick 2 numbers as well. And then when we call your name, if your number is the one who is the lucky number, you should be there on the raffle draw. And then when we call your name, you need to say present, I am here. So we're gonna, don't worry guys, this is not what is that? This is not scam, this is real. You can add me on Facebook as well, so you will know. My Facebook is Elibet Bergas, Elibet Tambor Bergas Pattinson. Everything is Tambor is my middle name, Bergas is my family name, and Pattinson is my husband's family name. I bring my whole family on my name.
Yeah.
That's right. So don't forget, guys. If you have any question, maybe you can ask.
Well, yeah, don't hesitate to ask if you want to add something into the comments, and that would be great for us, and we'll definitely get back to you on that. So if you put your full name in there and put your number in there, and we'll go from there.
Sleepy, what's the time? 10:24.
Oh, it's very late, huh?
Yeah.
Huh? Huh? We should be sleeping, don't you think?
Yeah, yeah, it's here live.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe you'll be the first viewer. Oh no, now we got the echo happening and that can't work very well. Now look, we got two people on here now. Look, is it the same person or is it you joined for the second time here? Now we're watching our own videos and that. Don't tell anyone.
No.
Now we're watching our own videos and that. Don't tell anyone. Live here, so I'm just waiting to see.
Okay, Mom, that's enough.
This is not updating anything here, so I'm not sure whether that's coming through. All right, excuse us, guys, and that. I hope you're all doing great. And
Who is that?
Adriana Marie Ford. Good eves.
Good evening, Adriana Marie Ford. Hello. We have one viewer here.
Great, thanks for joining us. We did give a little bit of information and that around.
Adriana Marie.
Huh? Yeah, it's one of the people who's joined us. You don't know? Si Let.
Oh, this is you, Let. Hi, Let. How are you?
Oh.
We want to do the live, but we can't do live straight away because
We're listening to like a replay here, and I'm not sure how this works, eh?
my husband is trying to figure out. Ah, God. Let, don't forget to share this video, Let. Thank you. You're there.
You're always helping us out. You're always there for us, and that, and we really appreciate that.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm good, Tay.
That's good. That you are good. Oh.
It's hard to navigate this.
Finally, we do our live now.
So we're still getting a handle on this and that, and I think this is our first one. We'll definitely work through how this is going to work for us in future, though.
Yeah, I'm sleeping because it's late. And
Unsaon sa pag-share?
Unsaon pag-share?
Uh-huh.
I don't know.
How do you share it? Good question.
Good question. Because you don't.
There's a share link here.
I think when you stop the video, Mahal, and
I can share it to Facebook.
Yeah, okay. You share it to Facebook and then put that.
Clearly, we're still working out how this all works. All right.
Your face,
Well, I don't want to show my face in that. There's like there's too much of his face to be seen. Okay, nah.
Oh gosh, Mahal, I want ice cream. No, I think not.
Raffle instructions.
Yes, we got this one.
Oh, look, what do you got? That is, what is that? Durian paste.
No.
Durian paste. It's a mooncake with durian paste, and what else was in it?
Yeah, mooncake.
She's got mooncake. She has mooncake. You show? Show it. We have mooncake. It's like the moon, but not very much. This one is lucky flowers, but looky flowers, because we miss out on the sea.
That one is 2 egg yolk and bean.
And yeah, 2 egg yolk and red bean.
Red bean.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
No, yeah, I think that's better than that.
Yeah. Whereas this one's durian. Huh? 2 egg yolk, and durian.
From Malaysia, like from Malaysia.
Huh? Malaysia?
This is
Oh.
We have a lot of product from Malaysia here. Because obviously KL is very close.
Okay. Like this. Done share.
Kuya Glenn.
Oi, oi.
Thank you, Let.
Thank you, Let. You know how to work it. Okay, I'm putting it on here and that, huh?
What are you doing?
This is on your newsfeed, and on your story, and I'm posting to Facebook.
No, I think I see bad words on the title.
Did you? See, you need to watch what you're saying. Hey.
Now I regret, but it's already there.
You don't know what she's saying, huh? She could be like talking.
I said I will to look your eyes because you said that doing.
To look?
Because they said that it's like a lot of people doing the vlogging.
Yeah.
And then they earn money as easy as that. You just need to make video. And
It's
then
so
people-
easy. It's so easy.
It's so easy. You just need to make video and you're gonna earn a lot. Like I will to look
like-
your eyes.
It's like a cheap.
I will too close.
It's like
I
a
will too
cheap
close.
lobotomy, you know, like.
Oh gosh, I'll tell you. So this one, we're
Like that.
supposed to start 8:30 to do the live stream, but because of this,
8:30. Oi.
Yeah, we
it's not
start
gonna happen,
doing 8:30 after we finish our mukbang challenge.
Hey, mukbang challenge. You gave it all away. It's all gone now.
Yeah, and then now it's already 10:30. Just said how many hours we spend doing that thing, and they said it's just easy. Just need to make video and you earn money. I will just look their eyes.
So easy. That's why everyone's doing it, right?
Really, really, so easy. Yeah.
That's it, right?
Do you have?
Okay.
Yes, we have page on FB, but
We have a page on Facebook, and I
But
can
I
actually
don't
put that
really
into the
work.
site. Let's see if we can put that into the chat. Please hold, thank you. Well, she's
you
meant
have a lot of data. Lately, had a lot of data.
a lot of data, huh?
Yeah, like internet.
Oh, some people have this thing called Wi-Fi, and like
No, they are
just sorts
in,
it out, right?
They are in the camp.
In the camp.
Yeah, Malaysia.
Oh, Malaysian camp person.
Yes.
I didn't know this.
Now you know.
Which camp?
Sarawak, but I don't know where in Sarawak.
How do I? Oh, not that one. How do I copy the link for this page, huh?
No, there's not much people on that. Yeah, but I think we need to work.
Work it. You know how it is, right? Takes time to be able to get these things going. So yeah, we'll have the link for the page and push that across as well. I think if you were to go to facebook.com, the Ali Pattinson, I think you'll find where you need to go. Let's try and put that in there. Let's put that in the chat, and let's see if that comes up into the chat.
I can't do this without you.
You can't.
Yeah.
Of course she can do it. She thinks she can't do it without me, huh?
I know,
What do you think, Let?
I think it's too much.
Too much? Huh? Nah. Nosebleed.
It's always like you're working together. You have support from your husband.
You're camping in the forest by yourself? This sounds dangerous.
Camp in the forest. No, it's not. No, the camp in the forest. Like the site is in the forest.
Oh,
It's in the middle of
okay.
us. Our camp is in the middle of
Yeah.
desert, and then it's
In the
forest.
desert.
Like, no, not really desert. Our camp in mine side. It's
Oh,
like,
yeah. Wow, it's
like
it's pretty arid up there, and that where
it's
you are.
very hot.
Yeah.
So, but them in the
But
forest,
is it a big camp?
not really.
Mm.
Ah,
We talking tents here, or we talking like, you know, the
No,
mountains?
it's not tent. It's a house. They build a house there because the
Yep.
block that they need to take the logging,
Mm-hmm.
like it takes, I don't know, takes time as well. So they have a house there so you could stay.
So he's logging trees,
Logging trees.
clearing, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I see.
Australia doesn't like Malaysia the way they cut off the trees.
Australia doesn't like many things.
Yeah, Australia, because they feel sorry about the orangutan. They don't have place to stay, and some people here, they don't even buy if they see the product which has the, what is that, palm oil.
Palm oil, yeah.
They don't want to buy it because they don't want to support how. They're really upset how Malaysia did, like the cutting of the trees and ruining the natural thing, blah blah blah, whatever.
Yeah.
That's their side, so we can't blame them because, as we can see as well. But yeah, they can't do anything as well. That's the Malaysian, and the government support that. So yeah, sorry about that. His operator, Hitachi logging.
Hitachi? Okay. So he's in machines. He's like
He's a good driver.
He's
a good
Is that
driver.
the claw one or something? Is it, or
Yeah,
the
like
Hitachi?
the Hitachi, like this.
Ark.
But they do dragging the ano as well, the
Yeah.
logging.
Okay, they use the chains and like.
Yeah, they can drag and they can. I think it's all around. They can drag the trees and they can dig and they can make road.
Yeah, multi-purpose. Yeah, fair enough. That's cool. That's good. And I think that doesn't link up properly, and that we really need to work out how to do this a little bit better. So if we have
Need to
to
spend another hour.
spend another 20 hours, and we might actually work out what we're doing.
Takes time always.
Yeah. But this is our first one, and when we go live next time and that, we'll see how we go. I think we'll have another, what's the catch?
What's the catch? What does that mean?
What do you mean? If you get the right number. Is that what you mean?
You want 500 peso, is that what you mean?
500 pesos
Wait.
if you get the right number. But you have to get the right number. Between 1 and 200.
Unsay topic? What's the topic? Oh, hi B. This is I don't know. The winner, are they allowed to do that? Are they allowed to do that? If they can join again on this raffle, the winner, last games.
Yeah, it would be nice to share it around to new people and that, but
Yeah. But their husband can join. Like if their husband is already subscribed, or subscribe, we need to subscribe and create YouTube thing.
Yeah.
And then their husband.
Yeah, I think if we keep it in the family or something, it's not so bad, right?
Speak Bisaya, mahal, so
Bisaya.
I can understand.
Bisaya, like mayong gabi.
This is for...
Wala ko kasabut.
Wala ka kasabot. Oo, dili ka kabalo.
Dili ka kabalo, ha?
Raffle draw. Magpili ta
magkasabot
four number, tapos mag-raffle draw ta, og imuhang number ang mabunutan, makadaog ka og 500. But nakadaog naman ka last time, maybe your husband can join. If your husband nagkuan na siya, subscribe. Ang requirements is mag-subscribe, tapos i-share ni siya, tapos i-comment ang imong number and then full name. Tapos make sure the number is not taken yet. The number is 1 to 200. Yep. 1 to 200 number, and you need to make sure you comment this live. The comment here, like, so there's already talking there, so it's
Mhm.
but yeah, you comment the number, pick the number 1 to 200.
Yeah.
And then you need to share this live as well so people can join.
One number per person.
Per person, and then you need to subscribe. If you are not subscribed yet, subscribe and share.
Yeah.
And then when the 200 number is complete, we need to write it down on the paper and then roll it, and then we need to pick up. Kung kinsa ang nakadaog,
Kung nalay comment sa number, naka-subscribe ning tanan sa imuha.
89.
Okay.
No, kung kinsa tong naka-subscribe sila ang ipa-comment diha be. Comment ilang number and full name. You need to write down, comment your number and full name. Para kung kinsa ang nakadaog, I know who I'm gonna call, who I'm gonna contact. Right? They need to write down their full number so I know. Full name for number.
Full name. So we need to be able to get in touch with you, right?
Yeah, because some people they're using their nickname on the account, so I don't
need to know who is who.
Yeah.
How do you say that? Yeah, no.
And then now I'm gonna and then when we do the raffle, you need to be there as well. You need to be there as well when you do the raffle. Like if your number, kung imuhang number ang nabunutan, and then I will call your name, you need to say present, comment present, and you'll be there.
So there's the catch. You got to be present for when we go live to be able to make sure that you're watching to make sure that your number's going to come up.
Guys,
it's a bit like bingo. That if you're not around, you can't call bingo, right?
Yeah. And guys, I do this because I wanna I need 4,000 watch. So yeah, this live is counting as well for my watch. So I need you to be there and watch the video. It's not so hard, guys. You just need to watch. Who knows your number gonna be?
We'll give you an update to make sure that you have a clear time to be able to know when we're going to be there, to be able to be live for that particular number as well.
Yeah, so we need to complete this, and I'm going to work on Wednesday. Hopefully Tuesday night. Hopefully Tuesday night, the 200 number is complete because I'm going back to work on Wednesday.
If we don't have enough of the numbers in there,
yeah, maybe we'll do that next time because
if we don't have the numbers in there, then it's going to be 3 weeks before we 2 weeks later and that before we'll actually get around to it. So unfortunately we'll have to wait that long before we can be together. But
write your number and your full name.
If you lock your number in now and
make sure the number isn't taken yet.
Yeah. So say in Tagalog,
dapat yung number hindi pa siya nakuha. You need to make sure na hindi pa nakuha. Oh yeah, if your Kael, kung si Kael na ikuan, paapila sila basta naka-subscribe, tapos naka-subscribe sila, tapos i-share ni siya nga video. I-share ni nga video, tapos butang ilang ngalan, tapos ang number nila nga ilang napilian, tapos palihog lang ko og tan-aw kung wala pa nakuha ang number kay basi magdubli ba may invalid unya. Make sure nga ang number is not taken yet before you take it, okay? Okay, we're gonna write it down.
And Malay? Say in Malay. How many Malay people you have?
I don't know. I think no.
No, we don't have any people in Malaysia. No, you can't say any Malay. You forgot your Malay.
No, I still remember. Okay.
Put her on the spot now.
This is for a raffle, and then kalau ada orang from Malaysia yang mau ikut ni raffle games.
Not casino.
Raffle games. Kalau kamu mau ikut, kamu simpan saja kamu punya number di sana dengan kamu punya nama-nama, and then
pastikan kita sudah subscribe and share. And pastikan juga itu number belum diambil orang lain. Sebab kalau sudah diambil, tidak boleh sudah habis. Invalid sudah tuh. Habis macam mana itu? 2 orang 1 number. Kan tidak boleh. So, yeah. Yeah, you can comment now, be. I-comment na ang number 1 to 200. Mahal. How am I gonna do it?
In Bisaya, huh?
Oh gosh, I already said it in English. The English can understand this.
Okay. Alright. Okay, no problem.
Okay, kalau ada orang Malaysia, and then yeah, how much the price?
Huh?
How much the price for Malaysian?
For what is
See?
it? What does it convert
See?
to? Eh?
I think $1 is 3 ringgit. I don't know.
Whatever it is for 500 pesos. Eh?
That's
Whatever the exchange rate is at the time, and that
maybe if they have
we're talking peso here,
yeah,
right?
maybe if they have family in the Philippines, just give it to them.
But yeah,
Yeah.
that'll make your life harder now, Oi.
Yeah.
All good.
See, I don't know if any Malaysian. I think they're not really. Yeah, I know that there's some Malaysian as well friend that I told them to watch.
Indonesia.
Yeah, and then they said that, I love watching your video, but I can't understand.
Yeah, we need to put in the translations there, and that, I think for different languages, and that, we have a built-in translator.
I can't really.
But it's hard to do, right? It's to revise each one of the videos and add the translations. It's an extra piece of work.
The number is 1 to 200, and yeah, 1 to 200, and make sure that the number is not taken yet. Write your number, your full name, and then share this live.
All right, and on that note, I think it's about time for us to turn in.
No, and then on the live as well, when we do the live streaming, maybe you need to share one more time.
Share the live stream.
Yeah, share the live stream on the Raffle.
Okay.
Guys, I'm sorry. I need you to share this because what I'm going to gain now is the public watch. I need to reach 4,000 public watch. So yeah, maybe this live stream can help me to gain the 4,000. If I'm going to continue this game. Yeah, we're gonna do it. See, we're gonna do the games as long as I am working.
We're gonna try it out, and we'll see how we go. Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Okay, guys, thank you so much. God bless and keep safe. Tell them hi. Tell them thank you, please.
Thank you, please. Salamat. Thank you.
Dagang salamat.
Dagang salamat.
Kaninyong tanan.
What was that one?
Dagang salamat kaninyong tanan. Thank
Kaninyong
you so much.
tanan.
Kaninyong tanan is
Kaninyong tanan. That's a bit rough, right?
Yeah.
I need to learn this language, hey? She needs to teach me. I think that'll be better.
I thought you were gonna learn Tagalog first.
Well, I need to learn everything, clearly.
What?
I need to learn it. I need to learn that one. I need to learn Bisaya. I need to learn Oe.
Yeah, you need to learn Tagalog, Bisaya, and I can teach you on how to speak Malay.
Yo. Yeah.
That's a bonus.
Malayo.
But you want to learn Mandarin too.
Of course.
Are you gonna be a
China is a big trading partner, huh? So,
I know you love China.
Oh, China's a big place. There's lots of nice stuff there. Lots of visual feasts over the mountains and the temples and... Huh? You crazy now.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much and good night. I hope you win.
Mayong gabi.
4 numbers, 500 each. I don't know if I'm going to pick maybe consolation prize as well to add more. Yeah, we'll see, guys. We'll see. Like if you're going to add more, like consolation, 100 each, yeah, we can do that as well.
So remember, subscribe, share, add your comment, and we'll go from there.
Yeah, the full name and number and everything. Okay, that's all, and I thank you.
Thank you.
Forgive me, guys, if I say something there like about the people that telling that it's just easy, just need to make video and blah blah blah. It's me, guys. I need to tell you as well, so you will know how hard to do this thing. Okay. But I choose this. But don't tell me that it's easy, because it's not.
It's definitely
It's definitely not
it's,
easy. You should try first, so you will know, okay? And then tell me if it's easy or hard.
yeah. If you work it out and do it yourself and that, then you'll see what it's like.
Oh yeah.
Excellent.
That's good if you're gonna do it as well, so you will know.
All right. So we'll see you next time.
See you next time, guys. Bye.
Bye.
God bless. Keep safe. Mwah.
Bye.